Today is Wednesday, December 14th, and this is Yale High School Studio News.
Good morning, Yale High School. I'm Abby Dykstra.
And I'm Grace Rakowski. Welcome to Yale High School Studio News.
This is the third day of this year's Coins for Kids drive. After 2 days of collecting coins for the Coins for Kids contest, in first place is Mr. Matcher's class with $2 per student. In second place is Mrs. Leonard's class with $1.81 per student, and in third place is Mrs. Mack's class with $1.59 per student. Keep up the good work collecting.
We have an update on the Hidden Holiday Chicken Contest. Yesterday, Felicity Lotta found the Christmas chicken. She gifted her prize to her sister because it was her birthday. Keep looking.
There will be no muffins for sale this Thursday, December 13. As a substitute, consider picking up a treat from the cafeteria before school starts. The school food service is now selling iced lattes each morning.
There will be a Unity Club meeting today in Mrs. Satera's classroom.
The United States Air Force will be here on Tuesday, December 13th during AAA. If you would like to attend the AAA, please sign up on the bulletin board outside of Mr. Dykstra's office.
Miss Eisler is planning a financial aid night for seniors and their parents. It will be Tuesday, December 20th in the Media Center at 6 to 8 p.m. There will be a pizza available and financial aid assistance. Students are encouraged to take advantage of this free resource.
For more information on these calendar items and much more, students are reminded to check the printed or electronic bulletin daily.
Physics has been in the news this week with a huge breakthrough from U.S. scientists working at a governmental laboratory in California. With more on that, here's science consultant Leo Burse.
That's right. We're talking about a major step forward in the pursuit of producing clean, renewable energy at a press conference yesterday. A team of physicists explained that for the first time in human history, a controlled nuclear fusion reaction has released more energy than was needed to start the reaction. We talked to physics students Logan Vincent about the project. This project uses fusion.
So nuclear fusion is like what happens in the sun. It's when you take two lighter elements like helium or hydrogen and you combine them to make them a heavier element, which produces a lot of energy as heat.
Today's nuclear reactors use fission, which is a different process.
So it can replace what we have right now as nuclear fission, and that creates a lot of like radioactive waste, which is bad, obviously. So this creates like nothing, pretty much.
The project making headlines was conducted at the Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory in California. The area of the complex used to study these types of events is called the National Ignition Facility, or NIF. What makes this experiment so newsworthy is how much energy this reaction released.
So in the past, what we've done is we've had like a net loss of energy from all the lasers that we had to put into actually making this happen. And this time it became like actually net positive in energy.
This experiment at NIF is exciting to many people beyond the realm of particle physics. These results could be directly applied to solving the problem of clean energy and addressing the U.S. energy independence.
We can use hydrogen, which can be found in water, which is pretty much unlimited on Earth, so that'll eliminate the need for fossil fuels.
Exciting stuff indeed. Thanks, Leo. Now over to Madison with the weather.
Thanks, Grace. We are expecting cloudy skies today with a high near 34 degrees. The wind will pick up overnight and we could get some rain. Tomorrow, we will be in the low 40s and we will likely see even more rain. By the end of the day tomorrow, up to 3/4 of an inch of rain will have fallen. Now back to the desk with Danica with the sports.
Thanks, Maddie. The boys basketball program took on Marine City yesterday in their first home games and came away with wins at all levels. The varsity team won 51-31 with a very balanced attack. Connor Jakubiak led the scoring with 11 points. Josh Craig and Logan Vincent each added 9. The JV team won 57-32 with Anthony Edwards scoring 14 points. Ethan Bates added 13. The freshman team also won 34-18. Colton Welsh was the high scorer with 8 points. The Bulldogs will play again tomorrow against North Branch. Girls basketball traveled to Richmond yesterday. The varsity picked up a win, 36-21, to stay undefeated on the season. Top performers were Alyssa Barr with 12 points and 12 rebounds, and Sadie Dykstra with 12 points and 8 rebounds. Varsity wrestling will be competing in Utica tonight at 5:30 p.m. Co-ed varsity bowling will be competing against North Branch High School this afternoon with a start time of 3:30. Finally, the baseball preseason conditioning calendar has been sent home with students on Tuesday. All communication uses Remind 101, and the code to join is at YHS 2223. Thanks, and stay classy, Yale High.